Yo, can you guys hear me now? Can you guys hear me, YouTube? No se escucha. How about now? Let me know if you guys can hear. Hopefully you guys can hear. Let me know if the music is too loud. It's perfect. All right, perfect. Everybody can hear me, YouTube and Zoom. I'm excited. What's up, bro? How's everybody been? It's been a while since I've seen you guys. What up, Houdini? Excited to be back. So we gotta be careful with this week. There's NFP news. Um, you know how NFP can get a bit rowdy. What are you guys trading for today? I'm low key waiting on gold right now. I'm seeing if we're gonna respect this area of support that we have over here at the bottom. Um, I don't know if you guys can see, but I have a red horizontal line drawn up here. My area of support for gold at the moment. So I'm just waiting to see if we're gonna respect this trend line or if we're gonna um, bounce and break out of it. Just being patient. What time do we have news at? Let's see what time we got news at. There's no news today. All right here. Job openings. 10 a.m. Is the music good, guys? Is it bothering you guys? Make sure let me know. Got that house music playing. Number of jobs opening during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. What are we forecasting? 9.74. We probably won't see much volume yet. Okay. Uh, How was everybody's last NFP? The last NFP for me was pretty good. I don't know. A lot of people say be careful trading NFP, but I just think you just gotta wait for the right setup. I mean, not chase any trades and it'll go well. Bump. You're in a short trade, brother? Guys, I'm not sure if for those that are in the YouTube, I also have the Zoom chat here. So if you guys want to like talk or you guys could also join Zoom. But guys, give me a like, hit the like button, help me out. This is my first time back, so some excitement. I'm excited. So that's what matters. What's this? On the 4 hour is looking pretty nice. Seems to be respecting my trend line pretty clean. We are getting a lot of reaction at the trend line. We have a reaction over here. Reaction. Oh, I think there's a waiting room in this Zoom. Bop. I'm waiting for Zoom. I think I just submitted you, brother. Yo, I think your mic is a little low, brother. Yeah, I hear you better now. How's everything, brother? You just like in this little 4 hour range, looking pretty clean. Buys if it can what are you looking buy into 172? Yeah, I see those risky buys. Like confidence. Where? At the bottom? Where you were training in London? Was this in London session or right now? What up, Lewis? So I started using this new streaming software, and it's pretty dope. It's called Ecamm. So like Streamlabs, OBS. Yeah, OBS is pretty good. I mean, I tried using OBS at first in the beginning, but um, I don't know. I couldn't really use it well, so I stopped using it. But look at this. I have like that's pretty cool. Ad hockey. Let's put clap. Did you hear the applauses? No, you can't hear that. No way. Damn, I was excited to use this. I hope the YouTube was able to hear that. YouTube, were you able to hear those applauses? I'm waiting for gold. There's not a lot of volume on gold right now. It's just oh wow. Oh, this is 5 minute. I don't like. Mm, risky, risky. I think if I were to execute the cells, it's just what's what's what I do not like right now is that I would have to wait. I would have to wait more than 50 pips to get in my cells on gold. Drawdown is my stop loss would be too big. I don't like that. I mean, at least 30 pips. You could just, if you were to get in now, very risky. Put a 25 pip stop loss. This is a pretty ugly range though. Why don't you just wait for a candle closure above previous high? Well, I mean, but we've got 8 hours, so I don't think you're gonna want to trade it in 8 hours. Catch your 20 pips is all you need. It's just oof. Not so hard. I've been trading it more often lately. Um, so the two pairs I'm gonna be trading since I'm gonna be going live in New York are gonna be Nasdaq and gold. Whatever opportunity I see, I'll take. Um, I'm a really big fan of gold. It's just what I've been focusing on. But Nasdaq lately has been paying me pretty well as well. So I want to try to put some time into it. Let's see what we can get out of this pairs today. There is news today, so I'm not sure if we're gonna 10 a.m. Eastern time. There's a job openings. I think we're forecasted to have less than actual. So not sure how much impact this type of news has on the Nasdaq or gold. I'm pretty sure it has some good news, like some good impact to either side. But let's see. We'll just have to wait and see. It's just there. The dollar's at 102.2. This dollar's looking a little bullish. Look how clean it shows its trend. You got your swing lows. Look at this trend channel, how clean it is. GJ, I would keep a 1-to-1 with GJ. So if you're gonna put 20 pip stop loss, I would keep my
Yeah.
stop loss right at the bottom of this wick. That's why I think 25 pips is a little better.
Yeah.
Um, and then keep your just try to have that 1-to-1. If you secure TP1, I honestly think we should be able to reach 172 if we break out of 171 800 and test that 172 area. So you could secure some profits at 171.800 and leave your runners to hit 172. Just be careful. Hopefully the news doesn't impact you. Do we have news for Europe? I'm not sure. Well, it already happened, but it's a bunch of yellow folder news. On the 5 minute, it just looks very rangy at the moment. We're gonna, you're not in yet, right? You're in. Let's look at the 15 minute. I don't like looking at the 5 minute. These players they're not doing much. If we break out of this trend line, I might execute on some buys. Um, if we reject possible sells, although I like sells right below here, 13,207. If we can flip bearish on this candle, this 30-minute candle, possibly takes look how we rejected these sells. Not looking too clean yet. Man, I was supposed to go live yesterday and I was excited, bro. And then YouTube hits me with the notification saying you've got to wait 24 hours. I was like, what? Dude, I've been waiting a whole day for this live stream. You got stopped out? How the hell did you get stopped out? 20 pips? 25 pips? Oh, you bought. Wait, what was your entry? At the top of this 1 hour candle? Oh, yeah. Uh, you're stuck. Yeah, I see. Yeah, bro. It'd be like that. Well, don't worry, we'll catch a move soon. Gotta be patient and just wait for that right setup. So when it's NFP, I don't really like trading the news. I like waiting for the news to play out. Let the markets react. Once the markets have reacted, let the markets choose a direction. Once price has chosen a direction, that's when I like to hop in. You just gotta be careful with NFP. NFP is very it can be tricky at times. It can fool you. It can go with you. A lot of accounts are blown. A lot of accounts are made. Bump, 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 bump. Gold, gold, gold. Kind of like this trade, to be honest with you, on gold. I like it. It's a 1 to 2 tr- trade. We seem to be respecting the trend line pretty clean. I think I'm gonna take it. I just don't want to get stuck with no volume, and I do not want to get faked out with the news. Let's see something real quick. This is a 1 hour. When I'm waiting for 1 hour counter closure, 4 hour closes as well. Yeah, I think I'm gonna execute this trade if on this 1 hour counter closure. If we can close below previous low, I'm possibly gonna execute it. You have to wait for candle closure real quick. Always wait for candle closures. Always closures are key. Let's check out the 2 hour closes as well. I just like how it's respecting this trend line pretty clean. Yeah, I've gotten really good at waiting for candle closures over the year. Um, Something I used to struggle with a lot. I mean, I like this. I like this trade. I like my stop loss. My stop loss is pretty clean. I would even probably go with 20 pip stop loss. My profit, my TP1, no, take. Well, I'd be holding till 64 pips. So it's a 1 to 3 trade for me, but I mean the 1 to 1 is right over here. That's the 1 to 1 right there. But I mean, I want to see a candle closure below previous low. So it's closing a little too weak for me right now. Not liking how it's closing right now. I want to see it close a little bit lower, almost to where my entry is. Um, let's see, let's see. We are also kind of bullish on the dollar at the moment, which is another reason why I would like to sell. What's the dollar gonna do? It's flying. We want to say flying, but we have three white soldiers, three bullish candles, and we're engulfing at the moment. So we are kind of we're closing a little better now. On my NGB 1985 .6. Create a nice top wick. Um, let's see. Oh, I have to do this real quick. Damn, I forgot to record. I forgot to record this meeting. No, why isn't it letting me do this? Here we go. Got what? No. No, it's not. It's I don't. Like you could if you want to, but me personally would not get in at the moment. Okay. Alright, fire. I now have unlimited minutes. Just doing the dance. Just doing the dance. Okay, okay, okay. Gonna get in right now. Yeah, I'm in. I'm in. 5 lots on 100K. Damn, bro. Are you gonna hold till the bottom, or are you gonna secure 20 pips? The reason why I liked 25 pips is because it's right below the trend line. What up, Raise Rage? No way it's gonna hit like that. Yeah. There, hit it. If I were you, I'd stop for the day, brother. I mean, I don't know what your trading plan is, so it's just you've got this, brother. Tomorrow's a better day. We still have news in an hour, so let's see what happens within this next hour or so. Damn. That what? I'm sorry. Um, no. Well, almost. Yeah, pretty much. I ended up closing like at negative 800, so 1% was what I was risking on this trade. But I mean, I was going for a 1 to 3 trade. You get me? So just go to 1 hour. Dale, brother. What's up, Danilo? Good morning, sunshine. Did you have sweet dreams? I can't hear you. You're good, brother. Sheesh. How many pieces you got? God damn, so you secure like almost 100. Wait, so you're trading London or New York now? Facts. Damn, I'm gonna get in gold again. I think I'm gonna get in gold right now. Shit's fucking looking nice. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna get in. I'm in. Second. Yep. I sold. I'm giving my trade a second chance. My 1 2 1 would be. Let's see. What are you gonna do today, sir? I started training yesterday. I started training again yesterday. Facts. Yeah, I miss going live. I got distracted with the. It's easy to get distracted. Is there a lot of noise at your house at this time? You don't walk those. You don't walk those puppers. Do you walk those puppers, or you just open the backyard and you just go out? I went to go visit him a couple days ago. He's just there. He doesn't seem to be like too much in pain, because of like the meds. But you could tell he's feeling pretty positive about the whole situation. So it's pretty good to see him like that. If you swing by, let me know. I'll swing by with you. Yeah. Well, right now, when I went to go visit him, he was we watched The Exorcism, the new one. We were just there. We were just there laughing throughout this part of the movie and shit. I mean, he fell asleep like in the middle of the movie, like almost towards the end of the movie. I guess because of the meds and stuff. Oh, that's hard. Did he? Oh, oh, my shit. No, I only have 3 people on my stream. Really? I didn't. I don't know. No, because some people hopped in the. Oh look, I didn't see the comments. What's up, Luca? Um, what's up, Daiti? Should I take the trade on the account you're managing for me, or you would take it? Oh fuck! Let me see. I probably took it. I took it on one account. I don't know if it's Luca. Daiti. I don't know your use. I don't recognize this username. Can you hit me up to wherever you purchased the challenge is passing from, so I know which account is yours. Guys, also remember I manage every account manually, so every trade every account is different. Sometimes I focus on one account more than the other accounts, depending on how the accounts are doing. If I'm about to pass one account, why am I going to take a certain trade on an account that still needs days left or is in drawdown? When I'm about to pass this one account, every trade is different. It's deliveries. Oh, okay. Let me see. Yeah, how's your smoke break, brother? Oh no, it's because you hopped in coincidentally at the same time Dion hopped in. Dion hopped up. I hope the bathroom treated you well, brother. I know, bro. It feels good to be back. 197. That what? Yeah, I got in again, bro. Bro, look, it seems to be we seems to be getting an indecisive candle, flipping bullish. Not looking too well, but let's see. 197. Oh, here we go. 863. No way. Possibly will be closing. Just gonna let my stop loss hit. Yeah, I'm just gonna let my stop loss touch on this one. If it touches, it touches. Dude, we keep testing that trend line, bro. It's crazy. It hasn't touched my stop loss yet. It's probably gonna touch it right now. Now that I said it, it's like 2 pips away from touching. Less than a pip. There we go. That's crazy, bro. Yeah, I'll probably won't get in a trade again just because I lost 2 trades and I don't want to go. I want to, especially near this time. We got news in 30 minutes, so we want to play it safe. What time is it where you are? 3:22 p.m. Yeah, pretty good times. Where are you from, Rage? Georgia. Haven't been in that state in a long time. Bro, it's so funny because a few times that I have been there, I've only been there like passing by. I've never actually gone to stay there. Like the first time I ever went, I got down like the street that was very like historic, and it looked like it was a lot of old fashioned things. I was trying the peanuts there because the peanuts supposedly is something you guys are known for. So that's all I did. I ate Five Guys and then I just left. And then second time I just passed right through it. I was coming from Tennessee driving. Really? What, what, what part of Georgia do you live in? So right next to ATL. Your wage, like the wages, how much people make their minimum wage? Oh, Miami? I think minimum wage here is like 20, 1,500 to 2,500 a month. Actually, I don't know. I think it's over here. The other day, I was like in a bad area. It's not a bad area, but it's one of like the poorest areas in Miami. And I was like at this place eating there, and then some lady who works there was talking to one of her friends who was just there as a customer, and he asked her, "How much are you making here?" And then she responded, 1,600 a month. So I guess that's minimum wage. Yeah, she's making $400 a week. No, yeah, I believe it. I was talking to somebody who's from Egypt, and in Egypt, it's like $100, $150 a month. Yeah, there's always one place that's worse. There's always somewhere worse, right? There's always somewhere better. What up, Tony? Tony Gold. Tony Gold. Imagine that were your last name, brother. That'd be a pretty dope last name. Hi, my name is Tony Gold. Oh, and one day I think I had a $10,000 trade. That was insane because I was just fucking. I got in like at, let's say 1925. I want to say something like that, and then I bought again when it went lower. Like it went lower like 10 pips, 20 pips. I bought again. Then it went another down like another 20 pips. I bought again, but I was like using good like leverage. I think I was down like 2% or something like that, 2.5%, and that shit just flew like 100 pips. And I was like, ah. That was exciting. That was exciting. That's when I started like, how do you say compounding your trades? No, I wouldn't say compounding. I just martingating them pretty much. How much? God damn. Nah, nah, I don't know. I don't know what it is to make more than like off one trade. I don't know what it is to make 20 grand yet. I haven't reached I haven't reached that level. I guess like I know what like 12K. Well, no, not even. I think 10K is the most I've ever made. Cause I had a position that was up 12, but then I closed like at 9 or some shit like that, or 8. I mean, I made more in a day, but it's but not trading together, like just a mixture of things. But trading is I think to be honest with you, like to me, 15 is a strong psychological number for me when trading. Like just cause like I've seen it took me a while to break when I was like making, bro, a year ago I was making like $2,500 a month. And then I started making like five, and then I started making seven, and then I started making 10. When I was making 10, it was a struggle for me to break out of 10. Like I couldn't break it, bro. And then eventually, like I think that's why 10 and 15 are like psychological numbers for me. Where like anytime I'm dealing with 10 or 15, I'm like kind of a struggle. People was calling me that before I even found Forex. I know it was meant for me. No way. Do you buy gold? Do you like have jewelry, like gold jewelry? That people will call you Tori Gold? Oh, which one? Which one is that one? Golf 7R? Is that a Volkswagen? Sounds like a Golf, Volkswagen when you said golf. 7R. Damn, that's just pretty badass. I've always liked this car to be honest with you, because you can tune this car, customize it, and it's just a pretty badass car. What BMW do you have? M, you have the M6 competition? Damn, dog. So if I ever go to Kasan, we gonna be driving pretty nice cars over there, huh? Bro, I like this style of like trim on the BMW more than the newer ones. The new I don't like the newer ones. I like this style, right? Oh look, we're we're ripping up on gold. I was on the wrong side of the playing field. I like how you don't let the losses affect you, brother. That's pretty chilling. Where do you yo? How big is that? How big is that? Like I don't know that city you live in. What up, Jesse? Kazakhstan, right? Why, bro? You think I know how to spell what you just said? Pristina. Damn, this is pretty beautiful. I don't know. This picture looks pretty nice. And you go over here, it's like, but yo, this is pretty dope. I like this for real. So, like, is education big over there? Like, the library looks way better than the other building there. No way. Yo, why is there a statue of Bill Clinton in Pristina? Mm, yeah, I don't know. I would definitely I'll visit you sometime, brother. I don't know if soon, but I definitely would like to go to that part. But what's cool? Yeah, you definitely should come over here. Look at this. Look at this reaction that we just had. Yeah, I guess that's like you're battling like the stereotype over there. It's like same thing with Miami. Everybody who's from Miami is Cuban. So I get that a lot. I get people think I'm Cuban sometimes, but I'm really not. For gold, so it's pretty much subjective, bro. You'll always hear a lot of people say this session is better, this session is better, this session is better. The reason I trade, right? That's why I trade New York session. I don't trade GJ. I don't look at it like I don't like trading GJ. Um, I don't like it. It's too rain. It's like just it's not a session. Well, first of all, I like to keep it within my means, and it's like my lifestyle is revolved. It's in the U.S., of course, right? So I wake up 8 a.m. I wake up 8 a.m. I go to sleep at night. So it's like I'm not going. I do not want to switch my lifestyle just to for this one pair that I don't on this country that I don't even live in. With gold, I'm constantly updated. Like I like jewelry. I like gold. I'm always looking at the fundamentals. I'm always listening on the U.S. dollar news, what's going on with the economy. So it makes it I'm more involved with what I trade. You get me? That's like starts like at two pre-London's like at 2 a.m., 3 a.m. London session opens. Like I don't like those hours. I like going to sleep at those hours. Yeah, so it's like I don't know. For me, it's just not a pair that interests me. It's not a session that calls my attention, and I like New York. I've already traded Asian session. I've gotten live streams for Asian session, London session, New York session, and New York session is the most accommodating one for me. Um, es- Especially since I'm trading U.S. pairs, gold, Nasdaq. There's more volume at these times, and I truly believe that the best sessions to trade gold is New York session. Now, I'm not saying you can't trade gold in London session because you could. I've caught good moves in London session. I'm sure you have too. Um, but personally, it fits my schedule to trade New York. Yeah, bro. We're in NFP week right now, so we got to be careful with whatever we trade. I think Friday or Thursday. Got it, Dion. Have a good day. Well, good day so far, right? It's 3 o'clock over there, right? So have a good rest of your day, brother. Peace. What up? What up? What up? What up? Damn, is gold just gonna respect this trend line again, man? This is a nice, strong trend line that we've got here. Check out Nasdaq real quick. Nasdaq is looking pretty clean for some sells, possibly. What? Yeah, I think I'm gonna execute on the sells. Dude, but that's we have news in 30 minutes. Hold on, I'll be back. Let me use the restroom real quick. There's a good website for that too. Are you talking about Finviz? Look, this one's pretty cool because you could see, for example, oh look here, the indices up top, and then you can go on Forex and you can also see which pairs are bearish and bullish, futures. Look, indices, they're all a little bearish at the moment. I'm not sure if you can customize it, but what I like about this, it updates you. Like for example, right here, you see 9:44 a.m. stocks open lower as Fed day looms. 9:39 T-bill yield spike on this, whatever the hell that is. Inside J.P. Morgan's late night scramble to buy First Republic. Dow falls as investors brace for rate decision. Then you have well, US 30 is the top US 30 tech companies, right? Nas, but US 30. Oh no, US 30 is the top US 30 companies. But you can see them here. Sort no, I mean I don't know if they're all here, but I'm pretty sure they are. Like in the, yeah. What's it at right now? 5? The rate right now is at 5? Damn, so 0.25 they'd be raising it to fucking 5.25. Isn't that crazy? That bro, that man moves the markets, bro. Of course, because so it's you have to be. It's not like the U.S. economy is depending on you on what you say. He uses the wrong word and he creates panic. Yeah, that's why people want to spend, 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 but then when shit hits the ceiling, well, I didn't we just recently reach like a record number of like people not being able to pay their credit cards or something like that. I only have one credit card and I barely even use it. I use more of my business debit card. I recently started using my credit card though because I haven't been using it for like months, and then I was like, I should probably use this because it's probably not a good idea not to use it. Bro, who was it that told me? Somebody recently told me. Do you know how much an efficiency was going for them here in Miami? Like $1,600. Was it you who told me that? That's crazy. What's the minimum wage here in Florida? Every year, so in 5 years it'll hit 15. 4 years. Damn, dog. When I was in high school, that shit was like at $8. It was like at 7.65. No way. No way. Is California the highest minimum wage? Probably, right? Dude, that's insane. Or something real shitty. Dude, I remember like when was it? It was alright, 2020, 2021, 2 years ago. Dude, I was making $10 the hour. And I thought I was making minimum. I was making minimum wage, bro. To me that was minimum wage, but it was a startup company, so the startup couldn't afford me to pay me more. Like the owner wouldn't get paid. The owner actually ended up breaking even. I made more money than the owner made in those 2 years working with that startup. Um, Luckily I was the only employee, bro. Because if there was another employee, it probably would have been like fucked. I don't know why I was there. I was just there to like learn, I guess, and because if it did pop off, it would have been something big, but it didn't pop off. But dude, dude. That's at that time I was investing my every single fucking week. I was getting $400, $400, and then I would invest in the stocks, options, trade it. I would gamble. I would pretty much live off my risky investments. Now I just trade. I just focus on trading. No, I had this smoke shop, but I got rid of that. Not part of it anymore. It's been already like 2 weeks actually. It was like recently. Um, Aside from that, no, just this. What business you want to get into? Just wait right now, bro. It's probably like your best bet. Something will pop up with this. I do think we'll see some type of crash. So I'm just trying to save up as much as I can. Just get ready for whatever happens. Just want to be cash position. What time are you gonna work out at, Danilo? No, 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 nope. Wait, you're talking about F1? Are you talking about F1 going into F1? Yeah, you asked me if I had to go in. No, no, no. It's been 2 weeks already. You should go to the one in Coral Way. Dude, wait, is he in Orlando? That's right. Bro, I don't know. I like driving, bro. Yesterday left my house like 6, no, at 7 to go help with that F1 project that I told you about. Remember? Um, got there at Alapata like 7:30. Left Alapata, went to Brickell, stayed in Brickell, came back to Doral. But I'm always driving. Yesterday I went to Coral in the morning. I had to go bus a mission around, like I had to stop here in Doral, like 5 different stops in Doral, and then I went to Coral Gables to come back. And my friend's like, "Yo, but you could take care of your tickets like online." I was like, "Yeah, but I just like going in person." He's there trying to convince me on why I should do it online. I was like, "Bro, I just want to drive. I have nothing to do. It's fucking 12 o'clock p.m. I want to do something. I want to feel busy. I want to drive." Dude, for real, like I've already been in the church for almost 2 hours. Like I'm not gonna be in the charts all day, and then like this is literally what I do full time now. So it's like, okay, what about like lunch? I don't know. I just try to keep myself busy. Been pretty easy though. Started working out after this. I'm gonna go for a run. I don't know if I told you I'm training for this event in December of 15K. So the most I've ever ran was 10K, which is 6 miles. That's the most I've ever ran. I think 10K is pretty. I'm not gonna say easy, but it's feels good. 15K, I don't know how I'm gonna do, and it's a mudder. So pretty much it's this trail that has mud around all around throughout the trail, and there's like 15 obstacles that I gotta do as well. December is when the event that we signed up for. It's it's like a Spartan, I think, but it's called mudder. Look, let me. Yeah. Oh, I've always wanted to do a Spartan. Oh, How many obstacles are in the Spartan? Yeah, so mine sounds a little easier than the Spartan. Like I'm trying to find. Yeah, yeah. Look, this is the one that I'm doing. I want to run. I want to get first place. That's no way. But what if you get there first? You're the first one to complete the obstacle. No way. Well, why? What is it called? Mudder because it's just in mud. Oh, Um, you guys just motivated me even more to get first place. Ah, I want to do it. This is. I'm really looking forward to this. Look, week one. This is a training that I started doing, but a little behind this because I could also send you this, but if you, I'll let you screenshot and I'll send it to you as well. So this type of training is for 15K. Um, what I started doing, I mean, I used to run. Running is fun. Like I've ran my whole life pretty much. So it's easy for me to get into find my pace, and it's easy for me to like pick up the speed and to get that stamina to be able to run 6 miles. But 6 miles is where I've like capped myself. Um, so I don't know, but I started running a 1 mile this week, focusing on just 1 mile, trying to get back into like the rhythm. Next week I'll start doing 1 mile and a half, and then also at the end of my mile I'll do like 100 push-ups. I'll do curls, sit-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups. Pull-ups I'm not good at, so I just do until failure. That what? I quit. I've been 1 week and 2 days clean. No vaping. Yeah. I'm yeah. I also since I'm not involved with the smoke shop anymore, I was like, if the smoke shop is gone, this has got to go too. So look here. Do you want to screenshot this too? There's I don't know if you. Yeah, I got you. I'll send it to you. Let me download it. Uh huh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at what happened to gold. That was the news. So okay, the markets are reacting. Look at this. This all happened within a 5 minute candle. 90. It shot up pretty much 100 pips. Insane. The Nasdaq is just fucking taking a. Yeah. Yeah. Well, yeah, but it's too late. I'm not gonna get in it now. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. That's the problem with news. Like I don't trade news. You get me? I'm not a reaction trader. Like I guess a reactive trader. I don't know. I'm not gonna anticipate the news because just how even if I was in the cells, if I would have gotten it in, it could have gone the opposite way real quick. So that's the only reason why I don't feel like I missed out on these trades whenever these things happen. I actually get kind of I find it entertaining when I'm in the middle of news and this happens. Like it's just pretty fun to watch. But always let the markets choose a direction after the news happens. I'm just surprised with gold. We're gonna reach 2,000 levels again. Why? Yeah. Yo, but didn't we have already? Didn't this happen already where we had a government shutdown? For real? I thought it's not. I thought it's not something that happens often. Damn. Um, the indices that less got hit. US 30. Look at this gap. You trade oil? Oh, Jesse, how much is gas over in Texas? Probably the same price as here, right? 374. Damn, I missed my master. Mud 2K. Also missed. I was on the wrong side of gold today. I didn't expect to catch gold buys. I was looking for sells the whole time. Well, I wanted to see this. I hope. Gold gonna break 2,000? I'm bullish on gold, but the problem with gold is that what scares me a little bit is this triple top that we formed. Remember, Danilo, we were talking about gold, and you were telling me you think gold is gonna reach 1900, 1850, something like that. Yeah, well, this is what scares me with gold. This triple top that we have here, because triple tops are good for reversals, and it's pretty scary to see gold here because we couldn't break out of this high over here. This is all-time highs over here. We tested them, rejected. Now, I mean, Yeah, I'm just bullish on gold. Yeah. I'm just bullish until we break swing lows. Once we break swing lows, then I'll probably switch my perspective on gold. But at the moment, I'm still bullish, brother. But I don't see us breaking this. I don't see us breaking all time highs yet. We're also at a 6 month high. Like you can see it better on the 6 month. Look at this. We're like in the 6 month range. The bigger the range, the bigger the breakout. Man, it just keeps melting. I think it's probably gonna reach 13,108. That was a nice move that it made. No, no, yeah, I don't, and he trades London sessions, so I'm sleeping when he goes live, so I don't even have really, I'm not awake when to be able to catch like trades with him or hop on his stream. I'm definitely gonna be reviewing this live stream after, see what I could have done to avoid not, or stuff like that. That's one thing I like about going live. That these things are recorded, so I just review my trades, review my session, and just see what I did wrong, what I could do better, trading wise. Right? That's like my form of back testing, I would say. I want to see gold start trading above 2,000 levels already. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day here, guys. Guys, I'll see you tomorrow, hopefully. This is a pretty fire. I was excited to be back, bro. I've waited a whole day for this, so I'm fucking glad to be back. Dale, Danilo. Yeah, let me know. Let me know when you're done working out with Parce. All right. Oh, all right. Yeah. Dale, guys. Bye, Jesse. Bye, Rays. Bye, Danilo. See you guys tomorrow. What up, chat? Thank you guys for everybody that pulled up. Thank you guys for the thumbs up. guys, I'll see you tomorrow, 8 a.m., 8:30 a.m., around there. Most likely 8 a.m. So, um, couldn't catch a dub today, but tomorrow's a better day. Peace.